Lunch is served and we're on day one, pre-assembling day of making tracks. Some of the stock is out. We've got the sleeper, we've got the drags train, the GBRF 66s on that inspiration train thing, the 807 and the APT. Things are starting to come together. We've got the Yeoman train with a DCR 56. We've got 3 zeros, 1 in LNWR, 1 single L London Midland one, and 1 pair of 350s. Got a steam train there, 460 I think it is. We've got the China Clay slurry tankers, which I think is going to be hauled possibly by 92, possibly. We've got a BR Mark II set, which I'm not quite sure what's going to be hauling that. And we've got the locomotive services Blue Pullman and some container wagons there. So further down the layout, the background of Watford Junction's going in at the moment, and it's all hands to the pump with that. So a very elaborate scenery that goes into the Watford Junction area coming to pass. One might say, how many people does it take to make Watford? Well, 6 people to make Watford. So I've got the layout done at this end, back scene in place, and this is the bushy viaducts that we've seen before as well. Now this layout this week is 144 feet long, and the scenic side of it is also coming together. Yeah, so that's making tracks, and then more broadly speaking, we've got other parts of Model 1 Live coming together, the tanks that we saw before. Other stands are kind of coming together. Bachmann have got theirs probably the most furthest on, other than making tracks there. There's AGR in the background as well. Their stands are also coming to life. And we've got this massive food bar area that's going to feed everyone over the weekend.